Okay, time to take a look at the FirstLove L1 wireless vacuum cleaner. We got instructions. So we got a filter. Looks like some kind of a nylon mesh, which is going to be good. So that means we can just take this thing out and rinse it off. Looks like a wall stand, so you can just screw that into those 3 holes and then hang our vacuum on that. It looks like we got spots for the attachments. Got our battery. So we got our contacts right here, and this is just a clip style. So this is our standard head. So we've got a couple options on here. We got this just flat surface, so we can take that and just kind of vacuum up whatever, but we can also pull this, and we can use this nylon brush to help out to get some of those particles up. And this is our floor vacuum head. So you can see we got a pivot, so we can go left, right, up, and down, so we can get whatever kind of articulation we need. Feels like some fairly soft brushes on here. That's good. We don't have to worry about damaging our floors. Got 3 LEDs on the front so we can see what we're doing. Yep, so that looks good. We got our AC charger. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts, so this is good for international or domestic. And it outputs 0.5 amps at 26.5 volts. Oh, wow. That's pretty interesting. Cool. So the release button's right here, and that kind of like disconnects the handle from the whole unit. I'm just going to click that back in. We've got a spot for a battery down here. We've got our nozzle right there. And whenever we need to extract the dust, that'll just drop out like that. There we go. Okay, cool. So we actually got one of those filters already installed. So this one is just an extra. So pull that out, and it looks like this is just a basket. There we go. We can just take this whole thing, clean this all out, and then reassemble it. And then we just line up that arrow with the unlock and then lock it. Cool. And then here, we got a reaching nozzle. So if you want to do anything like detailing in your car, or getting between the cushions and the couch, this is always a welcome attachment to have. It does come with mounting screws and anchors for that mounting plate. And then we've got our long extension. Yeah, nice and simple, just a push button. We do have contacts in the bottom and on the top. So that will just click on like that. And with those contacts, that will deliver power to this brush and to those lights. Then we can click the motor right in. Yeah, everything snaps in nicely. And we can click the battery in. So that's it. We are assembled. It's not just press the button. It does come charged. So we got 2 bars. And the one thing I like about it right now is that it's actually not very loud. I mean, it does make noise, but it's not really loud like some vacuums. So we got 3 ways to charge. We can just take the battery out, and you can see we can plug that in just like that. We can leave the battery plugged in and charge it just like that. And then we got this tab, which will line up with the mount. You can mount that on the wall, and you can just plug in the charger to charge it like that. Nice and lightweight, so it's really easy to manipulate. And it's picking up everything. I got a couple pieces right here, but that's actually chips in the floor. That's not something this will be able to pick up. Yeah, that thing works awesome. I really love how quiet this thing is. Like, this is surprisingly noise-free. And if we want to, we can completely disconnect this guy and just drop something like that. And so we got a nice, small, compact vacuum cleaner. Pretty cool. And then if you want to increase the suction power, we got a little turbo button right here. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with that.